Well, good morning. Another cracking morning in Corfu. 7 a.m. I just got up and it's going to be a good day today, as every day is in Corfu. Now this video I made fresh. Hello Frankie. Come on. Get off me. Come on, off you go. That's Frankie, he always wants to be a film star. Come on. But there you go, I've got 3 cats, Sammy, Maxie and Frankie. Oh my god, here comes the other 2. What do you want? What are you doing here? Anyway, come on, off you go. And you down as well. That's sorry about that. He's back. Anyway, I went out the other night and done the evening tour and made a film of bars and restaurants 2025. It was very, very enjoyable indeed. I met so many nice people. It's always a pleasure to meet YouTubers, really is. And do feel free to come and say hello if you see me. I enjoy talking to everybody. So basically, I've done all the bars and restaurants that I usually do, plus some new ones. And there's some live music from Thorn Tree, which is a fairly new bar. Mind you, there's an excellent place, excellent music, but stop it. But I was served the smallest beer I've ever seen in my life. I asked for alcohol-free beer, and I'll tell you, it couldn't be much bigger than that, the bottle. I was shocked. But apart from that, it's an excellent place. You can get fresh haggis. Genuine haggis. Oh, go away, stop it. Come on. Over there is a newish restaurant. I don't know how good it is, I've not tried it myself. It's just up from Oscars. Over there, walking up towards the traffic lights from Oscars, is Mastoris Medical Services. Now it's not too expensive. To see a specialist or a consultant is about €50. And usually you can get see him within 3 days. Not like England, eh? Now here's a nice bathroom place for all your shower requirements, bath requirements and things like that. It used to be in Aquavi, now it's in Roda. There's a very nice Indian over there, I've eaten there. Highly recommend it, it's very good indeed. Up towards the traffic lights in Roda. This is a Mexican restaurant. I've not eaten there, but I've heard good reports of their food, but it is expensive. And over the road there is Oscars, my local. I'm usually there at lunchtimes. If I'm not there, Vangelis, the manager, knows when I will be there. Tonight there's live music, so I'll be creeping down there to see what it's all about. This is almost next door to Oscars. It's a nice little pool, open to the public, but loud music, and you can't take any of your own food in. And there's no air either. It's very claustrophobic. This place is serving crepes and pancakes. to eat here or take away.
Sorry, that's alright.
It's usually very busy. This is my favourite mini market. You'll be amazed the selection of goods they have, especially English. I'm very impressed with them, and not too expensive either. Just down from Oscar's and next to the creperie. Tourist shop and ice cream place. Very popular. This is a very nice restaurant. Highly recommended. I'm not in there myself, but I've heard good reports about it. This is the Aphrodite Hotel. Not too expensive, I hear. Never been in there myself, but it looks good. It is a beautiful beach in Roda, but it's ruined with so many sunbeds and deck chairs. Usually from the hotels across the road and the restaurants. But at the end here, there is room to put your towel. I knew it'd be like this. Okay, Roda Beach outside the Aphrodite Hotel. Again, ruined by the sunbeds. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening, end of June. A beautiful sand blocked off by sunbeds. Never used. This is Schooner Restaurant, and further down is Rock Sands. Sort of Greek dancing, but I wouldn't say it's the best I've seen. This is a dolphin restaurant. I don't often film it. They also have a place across the road. I'm going to walk up this road alongside them to the Thorn Hill, or Thorn Tree Bar, which is newish. There are a few shops and bars and restaurants up here which are very nice, especially at the other end. But you can go to the Thorn Tree. Now this bar is the Thorn Tree. I'm sure it's called the Thorn Tree, run by a Scottish gentleman. And you can get genuine haggis here and Scottish slices. There's a lot of the expats use it, locals.
Hello.
Evening.
Evening.
This is the Nikos family restaurant on the back road. Excellent food and Greek dancing as well. I don't know the name of this restaurant, but both these two restaurants are always packed, so they must be good.
Cheers.